Kia ora koutou. Here we are at video number 7 about rerepātai. In this video, we'll look at using the rerepātai structure, māhia, and its answer, mā runga, to ask how someone or something is getting somewhere. This question and answer sequence would be used when we want to say how someone is going somewhere. The way to do that is by asking māhia. We know that the tūpātai here translates to where, as we found out in video Rerepātai Part 1. In that video, we used it to ask kehia, to ask where something is, and nohia, to ask where someone's from. And then in Rerepātai Part 4, we used the kehia structure to ask where someone is going. Now we're going to look at a couple of new phrases, māhia and mā runga, to ask how someone is getting somewhere. I'll start with the English translation of the question, how are you going? As in, how are you getting to your destination? We'll start our rerepātai Māori with the question phrase, māhia. This is followed by the kaimahi, or the person we're asking the question about. In this case, it's you, so we'll add in our tūkapi, koe. Next up, we'll add our tū mahi haere, to go, and the last little piece of the sentence is the particle ai. Māhia koe haere ai. How are you going? Let's say I'm answering and I'm going to take the bus. We start out adding a whakautu with the answer phrase, mā runga. Then we add in the means of transport, which is the bus. And then we need to say who's taking the bus. It's me, so I'll add in aho. And then the rest of the sentence is the same. Mā runga pahi aho haere ai. I'm going by bus. We can add other people's names or things in a sentence as well. Like in this example, how is Anaru going? Māhia a Anaru haere ai. If you want to extend the sentence and say something like, how is Anaru getting to Auckland, for example, we would add the extension to the end of the sentence and leave haere and ai together as a lexical chunk. Māhia a Anaru haere ai ki tāmaki Makaurau. And the answer? Let's say Anaru is planning to fly to Auckland. Mā runga wakarererangi a Anaru haere ai ki tāmaki Makaurau. This sentence structure isn't limited to people either. Here's an example. Māhia ngā hoiho haere ai ki te pāmu. How are the horses going to the farm? Mā runga wakahoiho rātou haere ai ki te pāmu. They will go to the farm by horse trailer. If you're referring to a specific vehicle, we would add e and then a reference to the mode of transport being used. For example, Māhia ngā tamariki haere ai ki te papatākaro. How are the children going to the park? And the answer, in my car. Because I'm referring to a specific vehicle, it's my car, I will use mā runga I tōku waka, rātou haere ai ki te papatākaro. They're going to the park in my car. One last example. If the mode of transport you want to describe is to say someone is going on foot or that they'll be walking to their destination, the way to do that is by saying mā raro. Mā raro aho haere ai ki te mahi. I'll be going to work on foot. So there you have it, my brief introduction to another type of question and answer sequence when you want to find out how someone is going to get to wherever it is they're going. Have a go at using this the next time someone is going somewhere. Coming up next, asking how many. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Hei kona.